Okay, almost running late. It's only 30 seconds to start, and I haven't got everything ready yet, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's just put some bit of background tunes on. A lot of Gay Tony. It's really good. And set that. Should be good. Let's go from the start. Chuck this over on the other screen. Right, 10 seconds. Oh my god. I've only just started scaffolding out the page itself, just so the basic stuff I can put in once it's around, which is almost right about now. There it is. Boom. Okay, rucksack reorganization. Okay, let's just do this as we go. So now so we're doing this in SolidJS SolidStart, which is very new to me. So I'm going to be screwing things up. That's day 3. Synopsis. Rucksack reorganization. Alright, so let's just play as we go. Boom, rucksack. Oh, holy shit, that's huge. Advent of code day 3. Anyway, we'll sort that out. Let's just get some data and see what we have to do to get rid of that. The root is on fire. Alright. One elf has all the important rucksacks. Oh, okay. With supplies for the General Junkie. Oh my god, this is starting well. Unfortunately, that elf didn't quite follow the packing instructions, so a few items now need to be rearranged. Each rucksack has 2 compartments. All items of a given type are meant to go exactly 1 or 2 compartments. The elf did the packing failed to follow the rule for exactly 1 item per type per rucksack. Make a list of all the items currently in each rucksack. Your puzzle input, but they need your help finding the errors. Every time a type is identified by a single lowercase or uppercase letter, that is an A and A refer to different types of items. Oh, great. I haven't done any regexing for forever. The list of items for each rucksack is given as characters all on a single line. Each a given rucksack always has the same number of items in each of its 2 compartments, so the first half of the characters represents items in the first compartment, while the second half of the characters represent items in the second compartment. Okay, so here's the following list. So here's the data. Let's just put that into our little kit bag, our little rucksack. So I've pre-written these ones here. So this is the test data. That should hopefully pop up here when I save it and refresh. Yep, so now we've got the test data coming through. Oh, hang on, what have I got here? Well, I've got example data and test data. They're the same thing. I can get rid of one. Alright. Makes more sense. There we go. Example data. Okay, now result. We don't have a result yet. So, and we don't have that full data yet. That's data from the other day. Let's read more of this. First rucksack contains the items. Looks like 2 YouTube IDs concatenated, which means this first compartment contains the items. Let's see if that is a YouTube ID. While the second compartment contains the items, the only item type that appears in both compartments is lowercase p. Okay, yep, right. So let's just read it all through first. I remember there was this test back in primary school like 30 years ago where the teachers, there was a massive amount of information about and all these instructions, and it's the very first instruction was read to the end before starting the assignment, and everyone else, well, everyone in the class, you know, I got sucked in, started doing it all and did all this stuff and spent half an hour doing all this math and all these things, and then the very last line was, now just write the number 6 and hand it into the teacher. And I was like, oh my god. So anyway, I just want to avoid that good old scenario. So second rucksack compartment contains Jamahaja. That, so yep. Only item that appears both compartments is lowercase p. Oh, sorry, that one uppercase L. Third contained that. Seriously, that. Tell me that's not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rickroll. It'll be hilarious. Well, we won't, but so if I change that to that, what do we get? No, not available anymore. Wonder what it was. Alright, Alright, fourth rucksack, only share item type V type. Right, okay, cool. I'll prioritize every type can be converted to a priority lowercase. The priorities 1 through 26, right? Okay, that's cool. Someone's just going to make a hash map of that and do it in like 5 minutes. I'm going to take an hour. Priority in both compartments of each rucksack is 16, 30. What? Hang on. Oh, okay, so P's in both compartments is 16, it's lowercase p, 38L. Right, okay, cool. What is the sum of the priorities of those item types? Right, so find the item type that appears in both compartments. Right, so I think... Right, what do we need to do? We need to... So, rucksack reorganization... What the hell? It already knows this stuff? Is that something else? Oh no, that's a completely different thing. Must be from a previous one. Alright, so rucksack, 2 compartments, so... Let's go with the list and check it twice, because I'm haughty and I eat mice. Alright. Wonder if this will work. Hey, that's cool. Each rucksack contains 2 compartments. Total, what do you call it? Itinerary. Let's go back to what's his name. What? Oh. Well, what? These are all different. No, I just want the original, man. Oh no, I've been rickrolled. Rickroll the original. What the hell? I just want the bloody URL. Yeah, I want that. No, hang on. That's different again. I think it ends with XQC or something, doesn't it? What's going on? What's all this shit? Okay. Oh, whatever. You know the rules. So do I. No. Oh. I'm adamant now. What's happened? Roll YouTube ID. This is pissing me off, man. Alright, let's fuck Bean. Alright. How can I not even rickroll myself? This is like the other day, I had to actually look up how to make... Oh god. Oh, I forgot there's ads because I'm not... There we go, XCQ, that's it. Right. I'm happy now that we never have to see that again. So, yeah. So now if I search... Oh, not sidebar. Never ever want sidebar. Right. Each rucksack contains blah blah blah. Example data. Now, what's the other stuff here? Lowercase letters are worth 1 to 26 points. I don't know. Okay. Why isn't there any dots next to these either? These are proper list items. You notice there's a lot different layout to what I had yesterday, but anyway. So now items which appear in both part. So it needs to be split. Hang on, how are they split? Are they exactly half? All items of a given type need to go in exactly one of the two compartments. So this one, P and P, are the two. Right, so these... Right, yep, so it is the first half of these. Alright, so let's break that out. What do we need to do here? Don't need to do that. So this is so this is the way, one of the ways that you get data from in SolidStart, SolidJS, whatever. I still don't completely understand it, but it works pretty well. I'm not running into the same issues I had with all the bloody stupid async and hooks and all that sort of shit I'd had with React every day, where it just seemed to be different every time you did it. I never seemed to be able to keep track. Anyway, all you do in this one is in the main export function, which it becomes the JSX basically. yeah, just get the data from the root data. Don't fuck with it in here. And then you just do it. All the messing around you can do on this side, and you can do it either through create server data, so it happens all on the server side. So for instance, if I do this, the data tests, right? So this is my server terminal, and this is the thing. When I do that, so refresh that. So here's the output. So oh, what did I do? Yeah, so console. Oh, I already console logging these anyway. So notice that it's over here and not over here. So the front end does not see this data until it actually renders. I'm not sure if there's a different thing happening here. So for instance, if I the law, all right, yeah, the data, the law. So if I do that, client, the law, and server, the data. Let's just do the data. Bother with that for now. So client, the log, it's undefined. It's just not there. I guess. Do you need to do that? I'm still. Oh, it is there. Okay. Wait. Oh no, it's only yeah. So it's undefined on first round, but if I go out and then back in, I've set up a little thing up here. So these are all my other little playgrounds for solid state, getting everything sorted. So I can, there's some TRPC shit going on here, and got some authentication stuff which is working pretty well. And so yeah, ready to work for clients. Right, so but if you come back, the data, is the data there? No, it's still not there. But if I change something here, right, and then save it, I reckon it's got the data there somehow. Yeah, so now the actual data is there. I can't speak too much more intelligently on how that works just yet. So I'm just going to leave it, and I will figure it out later, because it's a different mental model to all the other stuff you're used to. But anyway, the point being is that yeah, this is not being shown, like it's not showing anything that I'm doing console log server, and that's anything that happens in here. It's like what happens in Vegas. It's only once you actually pick it up, like so. Here's the thing, and you don't have to bother with using await and stuff like that, because that's all handled up here. So the await async is all hoisted. All right. So anyway, now what was the strategy we have to do here? So need to get items which appear in both compartments. So, alright, oh yeah, so compartment 1. So what we want to do here is const rucksacks equals. Oh, where's it going with this? No. Rucksacks equals any. Let's just do this. So now, that's right. There's no map. What? How do you do it here? Yeah, fuck it. Let's just do it like this. that just not hot reloading anymore? Actually, this is interesting. I think it recognizes that I'm in server area here, so not reload, because you don't want to, like that you won't reload the page because I don't know. Actually, I'm just making shit up. The output. Let's just put in, turn this into that on the server side and hit save. Right, see, it didn't change anything there, right? Now, if this is in the client side, if I change that, I'll actually just go down to where full data is. Okay, no, so that opened that, but it didn't change what's actually, so the client side data remains the same. Right, but now it's picked it up, and now here we go. Cool. Rucksacks. Alright, let's get rid of that, and that. Alright, so we've got the full data. Hello. Why isn't that? Actually, that looks ugly. It's why doesn't the stringify work? Does it not need to be stringified, I guess? No, it doesn't. Let's do a is it loop or no? For each the law dot each the law I don't know. No, I don't want that. data. No, that's 2203 test.txt. Oh, the data. I'm an idiot. The data tests. Right, here we go. So that's got all that split into those. Now, so const compartment 1 equals let's see if Copilot's on my side today. Put left half of line into const compartment 1, right half into compartment 2. Alright, let's see what it does. Split. Split. It should just be doing like length and then half of that. Come on, this is the kind of stuff I want. I want Copilot to be able to help me with, like, you know, just like a little thing. All right, fine. Compartment 1 equals line dot substring 0 to line dot length divided by 2. I think that should be about right. And const compartment 2 is line length divided by that should be pretty close. Alright. Yep. Pretty happy with that. I don't know if we're going to have to do checking for errors, like if they've got incorrect data and shit, but I don't think they'll throw us for a loop on this just yet. Alright, so we've got the two compartments. Now that we got compartments, what do we do? What do we do? I forget the whole point of this now. Well, the second compartment contains lowercase p, right? So these all got something that's shared. Is that what we're saying? That's got 2 T's, 2 J's. Has that got anything that's shared across both of them? Oh yeah, 2 small T's and a bunch of small T's. So let's see what they say for number 5th. It's the share item type T. Right. Every item type can be converted to a priority. Lowercase items, A through Z, priorities 1 through 26. Right, so T will be what? I don't know, 18 or something. In the above example, 20T. Priority of the item type that appears in both compartments of Rucksacks 16. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, this shouldn't be too hard. Alright. I'm only understanding it now that I'm sort of seeing halfway through. So const repeated items. No, items in. What are they? I just want to keep there. Oh, yeah, it is items. Yeah, cool. Items in both compartments. I don't know if that's going to do anything. Can't. That's. Yeah, okay. Alright, cool. Now we're just, how do you reduce that? Does it just reduce? You know what? You only need the first, you need the first from each. There we go. Items in both compartments. Let's just see, let's make sure that we're not picking up any extra baggage along the way. Yep, cool. Alright. So we've got the things. Now what we're going to do is convert the items to where they are in the alphabet. So value of item equals where is there? There's got to be a regex or something for this. These are horrible. Const position of letter in alphabet. Let's see if we can pick up from context. Charcode 0, 96. Why is T22? Is that minus 16? Okay, we're gone a bit off the rails here. Char code at 0, minus 96. What's the minus 96 for? What's all this stuff here? Oh, go away. Okay, what was the 96 for? That must be the char code level that it's at. Oh, yeah. How is V minus 16? Oh no, that's P. Let's chunk them together, shall we? Yeah, S19, T is 20, V22, P. Why is... Oh, capital P. Ah. So position letter of alphabet. I can't really do two lowercase there because that'll. If oh god, if that is lowercase, how do you determine out a lowercase? It's got to be char code. What's dot char code at no, I don't. What the fuck? Oh, actually, that's okay. That works. I don't have to fuck around with all the char code and stuff like that. So, if items in both compartments equals that to lowercase, then that's pretty. Oh god, I wouldn't have thought of that. So let's do it. What do they call it? Points or priority? Right. Priority was 0 and priority equals that. Else. Alright, so got 16. Actually, let's just before we check if this is correct, I want to start putting it out to the example data. So let's start putting it out here. So we've actually got data tests. What I want to do is data test. Let's call it test data and test result. What? Oh, idiot. No, I've got to push all these to the thing, don't I? Duh. That's what the whole fucking rucksacks are for. Priority's not only at the let's just deal with that in a minute. Object. Alright, cool. So this is the data that we're getting. The data test splits, their priority, blah blah, rucksacks. Tests, so just this is gonna get ugly. Alright, so full data. What? Wait. Oh, rucksacks is not defined. Oh. Can I infer from there? I think I should be able to. Yes, cool. So test data. This is pretty cool, man. I love this. It just, after all this time fucking around in React and whatever, this just seems so much more intuitive. Like, supply the data there. So if I change that there, well, I know React does this too, but oops, it's not going to work, is it? I'm going to eat my words. What happened there? Oh, yeah, no, that's incorrect. So that, though, now immediately, bam, no, got an error. So I have to go, alright, did you mean like that? And it's done. So I fucking love that. You can't make mistakes like, well, you can, but you have to try real hard. Alright, so now, test data. Now, example data, I'm going to put in example results, and we're also going to put in H3 example working out. Let's do yoga, baby. Downward rucksack. That looks good. What if I change that to code? Is there a code or not? I can't remember. No. Alright. It's just code. Woof. Yuck. This looks better in thing. No, I'll just leave it as pre for now. Good enough. There we go. I'll figure out the code stuff later. Alright, so what we got here is an amazing communication. So rucksack blah blah blah, example data, it splits it out. There's the compartment 1, compartment 2, thing in both compartments, priority 16, 12, 16, 12, 20, 20. And so the result is going to be going to be, won't be stringify, law.testRucksacks.priority how do you sum that? What the fuck is going on here? Actually, we should be sending the test rucksacks and then tests result, because I like doing all my working out on the server. I mean, it's just, you know, test result equals the result tests. So that's fine. Let's just get rid of all this stuff now. Const the result test equals no, I don't need to sort them. I just need to no. What the fuck? What have I done? Okay. What the fuck? It's trying to rewrite the entire bloody thing. Now I've got no control. What's going on? Oof, memory. What have I got open? Jesus. Let's close this, some other stuff, man. Jeez, I rarely see it go above 70. This is crazy. What else have I got open? Why is GitHub Desktop taking up that much? No. Down, boy, down. I'm gonna crash a bitch. Wait. Why are these sub-units of that? Oh god. Fuck. No. Cripes. Alright, looks like it's kept all that. How are we doing for memory? What the fuck is going on here? Something's really chewing, man. There's nothing open. Like, seriously, I've got those 4 things. Close off any other windows I've got on the other ones. Gotta leave OBS open, I guess. Alright, that's a bit more sanity. Far out. I was gonna have a meltdown. Right, alright, no, that can't be that hard. These are the sort of things that I just forget how to do. That's why I like, actually, if we're looping these, oh yeah, let priority test equals 0. So we don't need that. Actually, what am I doing that for? Total priority, yeah. Oh, God damn it. We'll figure out, because I might have to make multiple functions. Like I'd normally break this out by now, but I just want to see how this, we just want to get to a result. So the result test equals, and so for each of these we'll also do total priority tests plus equals priority. Alright, so the result test equals, yeah, okay, this just doesn't matter. Test result. What the fuck? Stop adding stuff. Alright, I think we're there. What's going on here? Whoops, what was that? Let's just refresh. Boom, boom, boom. Right, result 105. Can we trust it? Let's go. No, sorry, that's just the total for this. We just want to get the thing. Yeah, no, that's wrong. Alright, so what are we missing here? 16, 38, 42, 36, 24, 36. No, this is 5, 3. What are we missing here? So 39, 59, 61, 71, 77, 87, 89, 99, 100 and whatever that said, yeah, 105. So that is coming that correct there. Are we missing the last one? Oh, what happened? Oh, it broke. What's going on here? Did I not rerun it? I'm getting baffled. What's going on? It's not getting the data. It's not. Something's broken, man. Fuck. Alright, so this is all the stuff we've done today. Man, that fan's pumping. I don't know what that is. Alright, show must go on. Oh, it looks like it's doing more stuff now. Xstate ini, what? There's no Xstate on this page. Oh, what's happened to the data? Cannot read properties of undefined, reading to lowercase. Seriously, what's going on with the data? I think something's fucked up. Let's go to a different thing. No, this is getting I can get the Pokemon API here. That's from that. That came in super quick. Right, boom. What about? Yeah, so this is other data that's getting from elsewhere. So connection is correct. It's just something about this page is fucked. Oh, God damn it! I had it working, almost ready. Gosh. Is it because I put that extra space at the end? Can't be that. It is. Okay. Alright. What do we got? There's 6 of them, so let's just check that there's 6 here. Yeah, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. I'm doing something wrong with the lowercase. So uppercase P. That should be so that should be. Oh, I did it right. Yeah. Okay, fine. I didn't double check the this stuff here. That's just minus blah blah blah. So I think that would be minus 96 plus 26. How's that? Wait, no, it's even worse now. Are capitals before? So that's capital P. Let's just go 666. Otherwise, 69. Right, 69, 666. Yeah, so it is picking it up. It is picking these up correctly. So that's fine. So chart code at I just don't know what chart code at is. So character code equal to 113. So that's index 4, which is Q. So if I go capital Q. idiot. All right. Minus 96, minus 26. You can't just remember all this shit, man. It's all like... Alright, 6... Hey, wait. No, what have I done? Hang on, so... lowercase p is 112. So that equal to that index... Right, I'll just leave that. So 112 minus 96 is what we'd normally get here for P. So, yep, that sounds about right. Now, for capital P, we should be looking at 42. The universe and everything. So if I go pick. So 80, so that should be what? Minus 38. I don't know where these numbers come from, I forget. I know I've remembered them way back in the day. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It should be minus... hang on, am I doing something wrong? 96 minus 26, no, that's... No, it can't be right. I'm just going to go 38, fuck it. I think that's a magic number. Yep. 157, so that is the correct number. Yep, alright, cool. We're getting the test correct. Alright, let's just get rid of some of this shit. Hey. No, fuck off. Oh, the bloody Copilot, man. Gets a bit angsty. So, stay in the back seat, bro. I'm gonna have to, see if there's a, there's got to be some sort of keyboard shortcut when you want to invoke him. So, for instance, when I want to do something blah 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 dot and nothing comes up, you can do Control space and then you go through, and quite often if there's something there, it'll list it. What I want is that for Copilot, so I reckon that has to exist. Alright, so is this now 157? That's correct. Yep. Alright. Alright, so advent of code 222 J03 test done. Now we just got to chuck that up on the server. Oh fuck, what have I done? Alright, what am I doing? Oh, okay, now we just want to run it on real data. So let's get the super real data. Whoa, holy shit. Just fucking cat on keyboard stuff here, man. Right, so that can go into this one here. Boom. And now, so if we server 1 equals that, yep. The data test. So now this needs to be its own function, doesn't it? Fuck it. I'm just gonna. I'll put that out to another thing later on. I'll just change that to the data 1 and total priority 1. And Rucksacks 1. No, we don't. Let's leave that until later. Don't assume what's going to happen next. So data 1, and then Rucksacks 1 equals no. Test data, data 1. Okay, so now we're going to go 1 data. I know this is 2 data. A bit confusing, but just helps me separate client from server. In my brain, 1 data equals the data 1. 1 rucksacks equals rucksacks 1. Please check your compartments. Got lowercase p's. Alright, rucksacks 1, there should be problems down here now. So test data, that's fine. So effectively, alright, let's go in here and go, so H2, what the fuck is going on? What is that? Puzzle 1. Let's just go H. What is that H for? What have we got in there? Sample working out, that should be a H3. Sorry, I'm a stickler for that stuff. Actually, let's make it so. So we got resources, blah blah blah. So example. Fuck it, I'll deal with this later. So puzzle 1. Result, and that'll just be div success and the law.1 result. What's wrong with that? No. Didn't do anything. Alright, 7817. Now look at the data. How's it working out, bitch? Alright, cool. 7817, let's plug that in. Boom, shakalaka. Alright, well, that only took a fucking hour. Alright, 2-minute break. Alright, here's the round for round 2. As you finish identifying your misplaced items, the elves come with you to another issue. The safety for the elves are divided into groups of 3. Every elf carries a badge that identifies that group. Efficiency within each group of 3 elves, the badge is the only item type carried by all 3 elves. That is, if a group's badge is item type B, then all 3 elves will have item type. Okay. Problem is that someone forgot to put this year's up there. There's always just a failure. Come on, elves, what's wrong with you? Pulled out of the rucksacks, authenticity stickers can be attached. Additionally, nobody wrote down which type correspondence each group's badges, comma between all 3 elves in each group. Every set of blah blah blah. Every set of 3 lines. Okay. The first group's rucksacks are the first 3 lines. So that, and the second group's, yep, okay. Only item type that appears in all 3 rucksacks. Is that anything to do with compartments? Hang on. Somewhere in their rucksack, so it doesn't matter about the compartments anymore. Finding one item type common between all 3 elves, so it doesn't matter about the compartments anymore. We don't need that anymore. Right, okay. So we can use most of the same data, I think. So compartment 1, blah blah blah, doesn't really matter anymore, but it doesn't matter if we do have it. Const. I think we need rucksacks too. What we need right now. What's the collective noun for elves? So I know I looked it up. Was it drove or something? What? A shortage? I never what? A shortage of elves. Okay. Shortages. Don't need that because it's just question 2. So for each line, let shortage line count equals 0. Hey. Plus shortages dot push well, we don't know yet. You know what? Let's go with line count. No, I hate base 1, but actually that makes sense if we put the line count at the top then. Hey, no. If line count equals 3, then let's just not do that yet. Line count equals 0. So reset the loop. Now what we want to do here is, so every 3rd one we've got a new shortage. So a new shortage means, so what do we got to do? We've got to find letters that are the same across all 3. Let's just do it over here. Let shortage How did it do the calculation here before? Shortage dot push. I think it's just line. Yeah, no, just line. Line, and then const item in all three. What was the filter they used up here? Why doesn't that work? Split. Let's go back to using test data. So I'm too stupid to know how to do this. You know what? I will go back to zero base. Yeah. Shortage O. The Alright, what do we got here? Nothing. Oh, it's never going to get 3, is it? Right, so shortage is that, and that. Cool, so let's see if this works again. Yep, so items in all 3 is R. Can I read property? Well, Hey. Why is that one undefined? No, it's still undefined. What's going on? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Oh, it's doing line count plus plus here. What the fuck? Alright. They're in business. Alright. Item in all three is so R and Z. Let's see if that's correct. R and Z. Yep, cool. And now all we have to do is actually, we can do all this up here, can't we? So then it will automatically do the other thing. Priority crap. That can happen second. It's fine. Actually, no, fuck that. I'm going to leave it where it is just for, because I'll come back to this tomorrow when I want to clean it up and be like, you don't remember what you did, do you? So then, if items in all three, yeah. What do they call it? Let's just say sticker priority. Good magic numbers. That's beautiful. That's pretty much it. So result 1 and const result 2 equals sticker. Oh, hang on. We need total sticker priority. Don't need the data again, just do 2 results. Result 2. It's going to come back as test data for now, but that's fine. So back down here, we'll do. Let's just write it. Alright, so puzzle 2 result 70, is that correct? Yep. Cool bananas. Now all we have to do is change the data source to be data 2, or same as data 1, but whatever. Just go data 1, rerun that. 244. Let's type it in. Yes. Alright, well the last bit was quite easy. Alright, let's see leaderboard or stats, I guess. I'm not. What's that mean? I'm in the top 15,000 now. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, it took 17 minutes for the second part. Cool. Alright, well, I'll go clean up this page and make it beautiful, but basically that's how to make a solid state page with all the data as well. And all the stupid shit I was doing in between. Cool bananas. I'll go and have a break and then sort this out. Bye bye.